Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to learn all about nouns and pronouns. This is a level 4 skill. Let's begin by thinking about nouns. Nouns are naming words and include names of people, places, animals or objects. There are two types of noun that we are going to think about in this lesson, and these are common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns are the general names for people, places or things. For example, doctors, shops and houses. Common nouns don't begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns are the specific names for people, places or objects. For example, Mr. Smith, Buckingham Palace or Indian Ocean. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Pronouns make our sentences easier to read as we don't have to repeat our nouns. Pronouns are words like he, she, you, them, they and I. They are used to describe either individuals or groups of people, rather than using their name or names. Here is a sentence that uses nouns. Tilly went into Tilly's garden and played with Tilly's toys. As you can see, the noun Tilly is repeated and the sentence is awkward to read. If we replace the nouns with pronouns, the sentence changes to Tilly went into her garden and played with her toys. We need to keep the first Tilly in the sentence so that the reader knows who we are talking about, but we can replace the other Tillys with the pronoun her. Here is another example. The firefighters arrived and the firefighters put the fire out. Can you think how we could use a pronoun to replace the repeated noun firefighters in this sentence? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's take a look. We don't need to use the word firefighters twice. We can replace the second word firefighters with the pronoun they. Our new sentence is, the firefighters arrived and they put the fire out. Using the pronoun they sounds better and makes the sentence easier and clearer to read. Here is a summary of what we have learnt in this lesson. Pronouns are words that are used to replace nouns in sentences and avoid repetition. A pronoun can be used once a noun has been mentioned by its actual name.